friends, part number 2 of engraving the Marine Corps logo. So I'm gonna walk you through getting ready to trace this thing. So once again, let's start. The things we need: tape, need carbon paper, and I need my stencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down this carbon paper, and I'm just gonna try and place it as close to center as I can. And make sure it's nice and even on both sides. I typically don't measure anything. I just put it on what looks good to the eye. I always find that to be best. So I'm gonna set our piece of paper right on top there. And once again, center this up. So kind of step back, take a look at it. Yep, I think. Here it is. Got it on the aluminum here, taped up, ready to go. Let's trace this sucker out. All right, guys, so I finished up with the stencil with the outline, right? And the last thing I really want to do here is I want to look in the light. I want to make sure where I can see the shiny pencil and make sure that I hit every single little thing in there. Because if I peel this up and I miss something, there's not really any going back. I'm gonna have to freehand it. So I've looked this over pretty well. So let's dive down and peel this thing off together. All right, big reveal. Here we go. I peeled up some of the tape just to make it easy. But we should have a Marine Corps logo. There we go. Last thing before we go, I don't ever throw this away until the job is done. All right, I hang this right up here on my wall, and that way I can always reference it in case I miss something, which I don't think I did, but there you have it, folks. All stenciled. Now it's time to engrave. Stay tuned.